Accidentally deleted contacts on your itel phone? Don't worry, in this video I'll show you 4 easy ways to recover them using cloud backups, Google Contacts, a recovery app, or professional software. Solution 1. How to retrieve deleted contacts on itel via itel Cloud. Open itel Cloud, sign in, go to Backup and Restore, select a backup with your contacts, tap Restore, and check your Contacts app. Solution 2. How to get back deleted contacts on itel via Google Contacts. Go to Settings, Google Backup, and Restore Contacts. Choose your account and device, select Contact Sources, and tap Restore. Wait for contacts restored. Open Google Contacts, go to Menu Settings, Undo Changes. Select your account, pick a time interval, and tap Confirm to restore deleted contacts within 30 days. Solution 3. How to restore contacts on an itel phone via Recover Deleted Contacts. Install Recover Deleted Contacts, open it, grant permissions, and scan. Preview and select contacts, then tap Restore to save them back to your phone. Solution 4. How to restore deleted contacts on itel professionally without backup. Mobican Doctor for Android, Windows, Mac enables itel users to retrieve deleted contacts efficiently, even without prior backups, ensuring important information is not lost. How-to guide. Install Doctor for Android on PC. Connect your itel via USB with debugging on. Scan contacts, preview, and select. Then click Recover to restore.